Start. The court nullified the B.Ed admission made by the private unaided colleges, adopting their own method of the procedure of admission and categorically held that the admission to private unaided colleges imparting education for B.Ed course cannot be made by any method other than by holding CET, either by state of the university or by all the colleges of the state coming together as provided in PA Inamdar. Answer to this question can also be found in the case of College of Professional Examination versus State of UP 2013 2SCC 721, wherein the apex court negated the demand of providing approved number of students. Relevant extract of said judgment is as follows. The intake capacity of an institution as mentioned in the recognition order issued by NCTE or as mentioned in any order of the affiliating university only refers to the maximum number of students which the institution is permitted to admit in the B.Ed course, considering its infrastructure and other facilities, including teaching and other staff. It does not mean that such number of students are available for admission, nor that such number of students have necessarily to be admitted or they have to be provided by the affiliating university public university conducting CET public state. There is no such constitutional or statutory public legal right in favor of an educational institution nor corresponding obligation on the aforesaid authorities. If the students do not opt for admission in an educational institution through counseling and its seats remain vacant, it cannot have any cause for grievance in the eyes of law. Once a categorical mention has been made that there would be no diversion from the policy of 50% admission by common entrance test and 50% admission by the group of institution on merit on the strength of examination conducted, then government order dated 14/2/1999 would not at all come to the rescue or deprive of petitioner's institution for the reason that the said government order had been issued prior to issuance of government order dated 9/5/2014 and under government order dated 9/5/2014 categorical mention was made that percentage provided for be not violated and as per the petitioner themselves. Said policy is being followed uniformly till date. We at this juncture would take a pause and would take a note of the fact that as far as group of minority institutions are concerned, they were given authority to conduct their own examination. Once a minority institution in question have come forward forming an association for holding of examination, then as per the provisions quoted above and the judicial pronouncements made from time to time, same never authorizes minority group of institutions at local level that is based on its affiliation to undertake process of selection. The selection in question in both the case, that is in examination conducted by the state government through its agency. Common entrance test has to be at a state level as well as the examination required to be conducted by the minority group of institutions has to be an examination to be conducted by minority group of institutions spread over entire state of UP by coming together, and in view of this we are not simply commenting upon the way and manner the minority institutions affiliated to CCS University Meerut have proceeded ahead. In future, the minority institutions also will have to abide by the law of the land, that is, in case they intend to fill up 50% of the seats meant for them. Then, at a state level, a society oblique association in question of all the colleges will have to come forward for undertaking exercise for selection of students, but such an exercise on localized level certainly is not at all as per the spirit of the provisions as understood in the case of PA Inamdar. Emphasis for such examination at state level by all institutions coming forward is keeping in view the larger interest and welfare of the student community to promote merit, achieve excellence, and to curb malpractice, to regulate admission by providing a centralized and single window procedure.